Hello everyone, so I've got another package from Shopee. It is an electric drill. Let's open it up. I bought this for 1,899 pesos plus 115 pesos shipping. It came like this, wrapped in a bubble wrap plastic. So let's see what's inside. It's actually quite a nice case, a hard durable case. It's got a hinge back case, a latching type lock made of steel. So let's open this up and see what's inside. Okay, basically it's got all types of tools, but I'm only interested with the drill itself. It says Makita, but I doubt that it is really from Makita, but so long as it works, I don't actually mind. I'm just going to give this anyway, give it away to my friend. So let's test this. Let's see if it works. Let's just put it through its paces. See if everything is in order. Okay, it's plugged in now. So that's, it's got a 2-speed, I do believe a 2-speed trigger. And fast. That is clockwise. Let's do counterclockwise. Let's see if it's got a hammer. I do believe it does. I've got a hammer. Oh, actually this is nice. It's a nice feature. It's got a leveling bubble on it. So anyway, this is all that it came with. A hammer, a pair of pliers, a leveler, a tape measure, some I don't know if you can see that, screwdrivers, Allen type wrenches, some what do you call this, inductance, bits, cutter, I forgot what to call this, but it's supposed to be used as an extension for the drill for cornering, and some sockets, an adjustable wrench, some screws. Oh, I'm sorry you did not see that. This, by the way, an extension for the drill, for corner drilling or corner screws that are in a corner, screws, tocks, an adjustable wrench, and sockets. So basically that's it, and a handle for the drill. So I can't complain. For 1,899 pesos plus 115 pesos, I would say I'm happy with this. Actually, there's an adjustment here for the speed. Oh, basically it's just a screw wherein you cannot, it stops you from pressing the trigger much further. So basically it's still an adjustment. So anyway, I do believe I'm happy with this. So I'm not going to show you this thing in action. I do believe it's going to function just fine. So by the way, full disclosure again, I do not advertise for this product, nor do I believe that this really is from Makita. I do not I'm not affiliated with any stores that sells this item. So that's it. If you like this video, please subscribe and like. Thanks for watching.